Here we're going to divide 6x cubed minus 8x squared plus x plus 1 by x plus 2. In this problem, we are supposed to use long division, so let's set the problem up using long division. X plus 2 divided into 6x cubed minus 8x squared plus x plus 1. I'm going to really quickly scan both the divisor, the x plus 2, and the dividend, the inside, to make sure that all the exponents are represented, all the powers are represented. X plus 2 starts with an x, so we just want a linear and a constant. That's good. And let's see, 6x cubed starts with a 3, and then an x to the 2, and an x to the 1, and a constant. Both of those look good. So no zero placeholders are needed. Okay, jump into the division. I'm going to switch colors here, so let's change to green. Okay, first thing we're going to look at is, what do we multiply an x by to turn it into a 6x cubed? So we multiply x by 6x squared to turn it into a 6x cubed. Then we need to distribute the 6x squared to both the x and the 2, to all of the terms in the divisor. 6x squared times x is 6x cubed. 6x squared times 2 is 12x squared. Right here is the first place for some possible mistakes, so pay close attention. Let me erase the distributing lines. After we do the division, the multiplication, we need to subtract the 6x cubed and the 12x squared. So we're going to distribute a negative sign through to both of those. My students frequently remember the rhyme, draw the line and change the signs. All right, back to green. Okay, now that we do that, 6x cubed minus 6x cubed is 0. That's great. Negative 8x squared and a negative 12x squared makes a negative 20x squared. And we'll bring down the plus x, start all over again. So again, just looking at x and negative 20x squared, what do we multiply x by to turn it into a negative 20x squared? We multiply it by a negative 20 and an x. Again, just like we did with the 6x squared, we're going to take that negative 20, multiply it to the x to get negative 20x squared, and multiply it to the 2 to get negative 40x. Okay, let me get rid of those distributing signs. And then, just like we did in the last one, we're going to draw the line and change the signs. Draw the line, and we're going to subtract both of these already negative numbers. So those negative numbers turn into positives. Great. Negative 20x squared and a positive 20x squared, again, cancel to 0. Positive x and positive 40x makes a positive 41x, and then we're ready to bring down the plus 1 and do our last round. Okay, what do we multiply x by to turn into a 41x? Just a 41, so plus 41. Just like in the last problem, we're going to take that 41 and distribute it through to both the x and the 2. So 41 times x makes 41x. Whoops. 41x. 41 times 2 is 82. And then one last time, draw the line and change the signs. They're both positive, so they're going to both turn negative. 41x minus 41x is 0. And positive 1 and negative 82 is negative 81. So we write our remainder minus, because it's negative, remainder 81 over divisor x plus 2, because that 81 is still remaining to be divided by the x plus 2. And all of this up here is our answer.